Let me show you how to change the blades on this mini RC helicopter. So you can actually easily replace blades on these things if you ever break yours. But I think they are actually kind of durable. And basically to change blades, all you have to do is simply observe where you have this like opening on the blade. So you see I have it over here. So you see there is gap basically, and pull basically on the other side, well, while firmly basically holding this part. So you simply have to pull like this, and you see it simply takes out, and this is what the blade looks like. By the way, the blades are actually different on these rotors here. For example, this blade is actually different from this one, so you need to purchase a set where they include basically a spare blades for these models. And again, observe what your blade looks like and purchase the same one. So it has a model number over here, if I can focus basically, and you see on this other blade we have B4 model number, and on this one we have A6 model number for the blade. So look for these model numbers and then change them accordingly. And again, to put it back again, we simply have to hook it back in, apply a bit of pressure, and as you see it pretty much slides in. So changing blades is actually very easy on these things. Anyway, good luck.